how to make bread. First, get all of the ingredients. The ingredients include eggs, butter, flour, and yeast. Then, put all of the ingredients in a large bowl. You can add olive oil and sugar if you want. After that, use a whisk to mix the ingredients together. Whisk until the ingredients turn into a thick dough. Next, work the dough by stretching and pulling it in different ways. Use a rolling pin to make it flat and then shape it into a ball. Finally, make the dough into the shape that you want. This dough is the shape of a croissant. Put the dough into the oven, turn on the oven, and then wait. When the bread is finished baking, take it out. Be careful, it's hot. Now you can enjoy eating your freshly baked croissant. Yum, 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 yum. The end. Thank you.